Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video we will learn how to use linear dimension in AutoCAD. Go to Annotate tab. In the dimension panel, you can select the option of linear. Once you select the option of linear, AutoCAD asks you to specify the first point. I will select this as the first point. Then we have to specify the second point. So I will select this point as the second point. Once I select the second point, this dimension text attaches itself with the cursor. So if I move in the horizontal direction, I get height of this line as the dimension text. And if I move in the perpendicular direction, I get base of this line as the dimension text. Move your cursor to where you want to keep the dimension text and click on the screen. So the base of this line has a length equal to 4 inches. You can also activate the linear dimension option using the alias DLI, that is for linear dimension. Press enter. I will select the same points again, and this time I'm going to move in the horizontal direction and click on the screen. So the height of this line is 3 and the base of this line is 4 inches.